How to screencast your Poco F5 phone to a Windows 11 computer desktop or even a Windows 11 laptop, okay? So before doing anything with your computer, the first thing I want you to do is go ahead into the quick panel access of your Poco F5 here, and I want you to look for the screencast toggle, okay? So there's a screencast toggle, this one here that says screencast. Make sure it's there. Also go ahead and turn on your location settings as well as your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth settings. In some cases it may ask you, in some cases it may not ask you, but for the location settings you will need to enable that, okay? So once you do that, once you have the screencast toggle all ready to go on your Windows 11 computer here, what I want you to do now is to go into the settings section down here and the search settings area here. And you're going to type in this right here. Type in the words projection settings. Go ahead and type that in. And when you do that, you'll be taken to this section right here where it says projecting to this PC. So as you enter into this part here, you'll see either launch the wireless display app to project to this PC, or you'll also see something that says install wireless display adapter. If it does say that, click on it. A window's going to open up. And in that window, there should be a search bar where you can type in the words wireless display adapter, look for it, check the box, install it, let it run, and then you will come back here a second time and you should see launch the wireless display app again. Okay, you should see that the second time. And I'm showing you all this so that you can actually have the wireless projection settings ready to pick up any wireless capable devices such as a smartphone, okay? And then once you're here now, be sure these settings are set to exactly how I have it set as. The first one, available everywhere. The second one, every time a connection is requested. And the third one for the pin, make sure it's set to never, okay? And for Windows 11, you'll see this toggle here. Turn it on so that your device can be readily available for wireless display devices to show up on your smartphones, okay? Now, the preferred way for it to actually work, especially if it's your first time doing this here, go to this part that says launch this here, click on that once. You'll see this blue screen here now. Then on your Poco phone, whether it's the Poco F5 or the F5 Pro here, use the quick panel access once again. We're looking for the screencast toggle, this right here. Long press it. And when you turn it on, if it's your very first time, it may ask you to enable for the location permission. Go ahead and enable that. Then come back here and you'll see the name of your computer here when it's ready to connect. Okay, so tap on it. It's going to do this here. And then you'll see the name of your phone about to connect. So just give it a few seconds and let it process. And then you should have this right here all ready to go, okay? And then you have these options here to the top right here. When you tap on that, you got these options here to disconnect and whatnot, okay? I would recommend to allow it to have the screen orientation to go into landscape mode if you plan to use it in landscape mode, okay? So this is gonna work for, like, you know, either in viewing apps, browsing that, or even watching videos. And once you go into this here landscape mode, you should have this right here. Okay, so it's gonna show up as this, like this here for you, okay? And that's pretty much it for this video tutorial here. Hopefully you made it to this part. And of course, as always, if it doesn't work the first time, just restart your phone and your laptop or your desktop and then try the second time and you should be good to go. So like and sub, thanks for watching.